I'm Hassan from GoGenuity platform, and in this video I will demonstrate how our customers are using Google Workspace integration for their G Suite account, for their Genuity account. So we are offering multiple integrations, just for example Office 365, G Suite, Salesforce, Azure, Okta, OneLogin, to allow our customers to sync their data from their individual's account into the Genuity platform, so they can have better tracking, and also they can manage and utilize our services. So I'm going to show how our customers log in into the Genuity platform and how they are able to integrate their G Suite account, and I will also show how we are using those scopes in our application. So basically we are using the Cognito from AWS services for the authentication, and once the user is logged in, we are allowing multiple services to our users. So one of the use case of G Suite integration is like they can fetch all the company staff members from their G Suite account into our Genuity platform. So instead of uploading or importing or adding staff one by one, they can simply sync their G Suite account into the Genuity platform. So currently we are only syncing the users and their apps and licenses information, but now we are also offering them to integrate their authentic organizational units and groups into the Genuity platform. So for this purpose, we have added two new scopes and need verification for them. So this is the basic account. So this is the URL from where they can integrate the G Suite account, and this is the client ID that they will be authenticating. So once the setup is completed, we are showing all the users discovered from the G Suite account here so that they can import it into the staff. And so basically we have the ability to create the group. So just for example, if someone wants to create a group, for example QA, and have need to add two members in it. So if we allow integrating or syncing the organizational units or groups from the G Suite account, we can easily create the groups from here so that the users does not have to create the groups individually. And similarly, we are also providing some SaaS and vendor spending and expense management. And for this module, we are using the apps and licenses information. So basically, when the customer syncs the Google Workspace account from here, we are showing the discovered apps and the licenses that they have purchased, so that they can track down which licenses are expired and which are totally consumed, or if they need to buy anything else. So basically we are providing the tracking of their licenses as well as the users applications information, so that the company administration knows which user is utilizing which application and which licenses, so that they can have better visibility and have all the integrations and data at one place. And yeah, this is the purpose of our integration into the Genuity platform. So thanks for watching the video.